Today I'm going to show you how to set up a NetPath service. So from your dashboard, go to Network, NetPath Services, create a new service, give it a target, hostname or IP address, select a TCP port on which you want to do a check, give it an alias if you like, hit Next. Select which probe you would like to assign this to. We'll start with the East Data Center. The service has been created. The polling will not happen immediately. After the polling completes, you can look at your NetPath. Optionally, if you want to test from other locations to the same destination, you can just assign additional probes. And this will test the path from each of these locations. And that's how you set up a NetPath service. For more information, visit SolarWinds.com.